Why do you practice all these kriyas, exercises? Have you been initiated into spiritual life? Yes. Has Ramani Bholanath also been initiated? No, but he will be after 5 months. Sriman named the exact day and date with its presiding star. I do not understand what you mean by the star. Go and ask Janki Sen, he is fishing at the pond. Why do you speak in such an unnatural manner to us? It seems so to you. I am same as always. Bholanath and Nisikanta were thoroughly upset. Janki Sen was fished from the pond. Nobody had time to wonder as to how Sri Ma could know his whereabouts, especially as he should have been in his office at the time. Janki Sen had never before seen Sri Ma without her veil pulled decorously over her face. He also was astonished at her aura of a powerful and divine personality. After some questions and quick rejoinders from Sima, Janaki-sen said, "Who are you?" To this question, which had been put to her by her cousin earlier, she returned the same answer, Purna Brahma Narayana, the Supreme Being. The Janaki-sen said, "You are the devil, the devil, the devil." Srima seemed amused and said, "You wish to test me, isn't it?" "Yes, if you have any spiritual powers, give us demonstration." Srima began to Bholanath to seat herself. She then lightly touched his head. Immediately he seemed to go into a deep state of meditation. He became utterly still and his face was calm and serene. His friends were nonplussed. Most probably they had expected some miracles from her. They did not have the caliber to understand that a gift of samadhi by mere touch of the hand is possible only in the dimension of divine grace. Samadhi, a state coveted by the sadhakas of all ages, lifetimes are spent in rigorous spiritual exercise in the hope that they will culminate in samadhi. And here Bholanath received the bliss of attainment as a gift. They did not understand that Sri Ma had done what was asked of her.